Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva Gutowski. This is my new series, How to Influence. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a brand deal. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you're a micro influencer from about 1,000 to 30,000 followers. Anyone can do this, and it's never too early to start out and start learning. If you're new to my channel and like this kind of series, make sure to subscribe down below and also give this video a big thumbs up for how to get a brand deal. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications because these kind of videos will be coming out weekly, daily. I will be posting a lot more frequently, so you guys really don't want to miss out. And let's get started.
It's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now what's no more.
Step number 1. Start out by making a list of what kind of brands you want to work with. Let your imagination run wild. Think of every single brand you've ever seen, that you've ever wanted to work with, that you've ever bought from, that you've ever thought was cool, brands that you would really want to support and try their products. The whole point of this list is to think in bulk because you never know who's going to get back to you and who's going to reply. Let me tell you, I started emailing brands when I was about at 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I was actually really surprised with how many brands and how many larger brands actually reached back to me. Brands like Maybelline, Sunglass LA. I didn't think I was even big enough to get a response. Even if you don't reach out to them now, you're gonna want that list for later on. So just make that list as thick and as large as you can. Step number 2. If you're gonna reach out to these brands, you're gonna need to find their business email because, you gotta have somebody to contact. So there are a couple ways to do this. I would say like about 3 ways that I choose to do it. Okay, so let's say the brand I wanna work with is Set Active. So the first way that you can get a brand email is go to their website, scroll all the way down. It usually says something like contact us, and you're gonna press on that. As you can see, there's already a spot on here that says hello@setactive.co. That's gonna be one of the emails that you're gonna wanna contact. So the only thing with emails like that, it's right there on their website. Anyone can get to that so easily. Anyone's going to be contacting them, order information, brand deals. So you already know that their email is going to be packed with emails, and it's going to be really hard for you to get through to that actual brand and have them see your work. So instead of emailing that mass email that everybody's going to be emailing to, you really want to find the specific person that you need to talk to for what your inquiry is about. So that would be people in charge of press, in charge of marketing, in charge of PR, things like that. So I use a website called hunter.io. It is super easy to use. All you have to do is type in whatever brand you're looking for, and then it'll show me the email right there. Basically what they do is they search the whole internet for that specific brand's brand emails, press emails, marketing emails, and everything like that. So it's super easy, and it's way faster than looking on every single brand's website trying to scroll down through it and find their brand's emails, when this website pretty much does everything for you. Now we're gonna go through the third way, which is actually a little bit sneaky. I got this actually from Jade Dwarma. I believe that's how you say her name. Her last name's a little bit longer, but Jade. Okay, so actually what you're gonna want to do is go onto LinkedIn and type in whatever brand you're trying to work with. So I'm gonna type in Set Active, and then go to where it says employees. And what you're gonna want to look for is anything that says marketing, PR, press, anything like that. You want to get that specific person's name who's in charge of marketing for that company. So CEO, brand director, blah blah blah. Okay, so if it doesn't show anything in this section, you're gonna want to go to filters. All you have to do is type in marketing, and then already it shows director of marketing at Set Active, and then social media marketing, but this one's an intern, so watch out for the interns. So as you can see, there is Sarah at Set Active, so I'm gonna copy. Go back onto the Hunter website and type in her name and the company, and then it pops up right there, the specific person that you need to get in contact to for marketing. Step number 3. Once you find your emails for your brand, you're gonna wanna write them down because you really don't wanna get them all lost up in your emails. You wanna make a specific place where you have all your brands and all your brand emails, so that later on in the future, if you wanna email those brands again, you have them all set out and you don't have to do this all over again. I use the website called Notion to track all my brand deals and the progress of them. You can create little brand email templates like this, and I'm just gonna go right here, put Set Active, and then right in the comment section, I'm just gonna paste the email. I really like Notion because I can actually move the templates as you get brand deals done, and then later on you'll have a full list of all brand deals you worked on that year, and you'll just be able to go back and kind of look through them, see what kind of brands you've worked with, and possibly work with them again. Now that you have your list of brands and your emails for them, now it's time to make a brand email. I remember when I started out, I was very scared of brand emails. I didn't know what to write, didn't know what kind of things to put in them, so if you're at that point, just hold on. Okay, so for your brand email, it should sound something like this. Hi, my name is, state your name, and I'm reaching out for collab inquiry for said brand. My channel, blank, is a lifestyle, beauty, gaming, video, etc. channel with over blank amount of subscribers. Then you're going to want to add your follower amount for each of your platforms. I would like to do an integration featuring your product. Thank you, and let me know if interested. Right under that, you're gonna wanna add your email and then all of your links for each platform. So I'm editing right now, and I just remembered I forgot to say, do not go adding your rates and what you charge for like your content in your first email, because you really don't wanna scare away that brand. Take this first email to get all of your information out there, get your content out there, and let them know what you have to offer, versus like just saying, send me money, send me clothes, send me this, send me that, send me that. You can add and negotiate your rates later on after they already respond to you. But right now you have to realize we're just working on getting a response, so you gotta be patient. You gotta be patient, okay? Okay, back to the video. I also usually make it known to add a media kit, which is super helpful for when you're sending out brand deals. If you don't know what a media kit is, it's a separate document that gets added to your emails that shows more of your analytics, your specific demographics, and all of your engagement. So mine looks something like this. It is super cute. I worked days on it for like a week almost, and it was honestly really fun to create. The website is called Canva, and if you want to get a head start to kind of what media kits look like, you can go on the website and actually just type in media kits, and then it'll give you a bunch of templates, what kind of things to put in a media kit if you want to get started on it. So if you want to know more about how to create a media kit, that video will be coming soon. Honestly guys, all you have to remember is to send out as many brand emails as you can and do everything you can to let that brand know through your email that you are valuable and you deserve to be sent whatever you're trying to get. Depending on whatever your main platform is, you're gonna really want to hit it home hard on how many followers you have and how much your engagement is. Package has been delivered. What did I get? But my pen. I ordered like a stylus to like draw on my phone, like one of those like pen stylists. I'm just honestly ordering packages just to feel something, honestly, at this point. Anyways, brands get hundreds upon thousands of emails every day. If you can find the specific person that you need to talk to, so that's marketing and press, you're already gonna have an upper hand over everybody else that's emailing that mass email. The second thing you want to remember, if you had something like a media kit, you're gonna be telling that brand, this is everything you need to know about me and my channel and my content, and everything is right there for them to see. So they don't have to go out of their way to look at your channel, look at your contacts, and use all of this other technology to try to figure out what your engagement is. It's a lot easier for the brand to see it all right there and to know that's the person that I want to work with. And so you'll get an email a lot faster than if you were to just send out and be like, hi, I'm Maya and I have a YouTube channel. Send me free product. Do not be discouraged if you guys don't get a response from every single brand deal. I sent out about 30 brand emails like in the past 2 weeks, and I've gotten some response definitely, but obviously not from all 30. Sometimes companies just don't have the funds right now to send you stuff. They might email you, hey, you know, we don't have the means to do a brand deal right now, but we're gonna keep you in mind for the next time we have slots open. So don't feel like if you don't land a brand deal right then and there that that's the end of it. Because when I started out, I only had like 2,000 followers. I emailed a bunch of brands. Maybe I didn't get all of them, but then years later, those same brands are emailing me now to work with me, and I'm amazed by it. So everything you do has a purpose, and everything that you do is getting you farther and farther to the next step on your career to becoming an influencer. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you guys how to influence. I already have a bunch of ideas planned, but if there's anything specific that you guys want to see next, let me know in the comments. I promise you all of this work is worth it in the end. So I hope this video got you motivated, got you inspired. I know you guys can do it, so get out there and go do it. Mwah!